Number 4, Paint the Trail, white-ticked fawn brindled female, 57.5 pounds. Spunkies are around that bend, and they're out of the box and on the move and down the way. 2's out in front with the 4, 5, 8, 7, 3, 6. They're digging deep and moving fast. And on to the back stretch they go. 4, 8 and picking up the pace. They're moving fast. You've got 7, 2, 6, 5, 3 picking it up and moving and grooving towards that final stretch they go. And down the way. 4's in the lead. It's going to be 4, 8, 2, 7. Ladies and gentlemen, but we have a winner, number 4, Paint the Trail, a white-ticked fawn brindled female by Lones McCry at Whistler's Wrath, runs at a Lestrange, owned by S. Blair, trained by Joel Roden. 210. Your Cornell is 33:20. Your time of the race is 29:93. 12th race is official.